Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a barbecue sauce recipe, a Blueberry Chipotle BBQ sauce. Buckle up, let's go! Round up a sauce pot and drop in 1 cup or 150 grams of fresh blueberries. Hit the fridge, grab some ketchup, half of a cup or 125 grams. If you'd like to substitute with tomato sauce, you can. To add a touch of tanginess to this barbecue sauce, half of a cup or 125 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. And making a homemade barbecue sauce is not only easy, it's just absolutely so tasty. Using that fresh fruit, it just brings out an earthiness, a fresh floury taste. It's just really absolutely delicious. And next we're going to throw in a little bit of sugar. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, or roughly about 15 grams. Snag 1 clove of garlic, minced, and add it to the mix. Get some chipotle chili powder from the spice rack, 1½ teaspoons, and drop it in. You can always add more if you like. The burner, it's over medium heat right now. We're going to bring this to a little bit of a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, reduce that heat to low to medium, and we're going to reduce it down for 15 minutes. And this blueberry chipotle barbecue sauce, it is just exceptional. It has a smokiness from the chipotle chilies. It has a little spice from the chilies as well. Sweetness from those tomatoes and also the brown sugar. It's just absolutely dynamite. Goes great with chicken. Goes great over ribs. Throw it on some wings. Put it on some tofu. It is just an absolutely fantastic grilling barbecue sauce. It has such flavor. It's just absolutely outstanding. Once the sauce has reduced, it's time to grab maple syrup. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, pour it in. Stir it in, cook it for 1 minute. So check it out. This is the consistency you should be shooting for. It's thick, it's rich. Some of those berries have popped, some are still full. You could leave it like this, or you can move on to the next step. Whipping out the blender and giving the sauce a blitz. This will be done off heat, but you can use an immersion blender like I'm using, or you can use a food processor or just a regular standard blender. When that sauce is as smooth as you like, then you're ready to hit that grill. You can enjoy it on the spot, or you can throw it into a jar and enjoy it later. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Do you like sauces and gravies? Well then what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and hit the all notifications bell button in order to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.